Hi, my name is Beck and I'm one of the opticians here at SmartBuyGlasses. Today we're going to chat all things single vision lenses. Single vision lenses or single focus lenses are actually the most common prescription lens we see on the market today. They are designed to correct one focus of vision, being distance, intermediate or near. Single vision lenses are great for people who just need one focus, be it just for reading or just for distance. It could also be that when they're driving, they like to have a really wide field of view and don't feel comfortable in progressive lenses. Or it might be that you just have a really basic prescription, which is just a simple nearsighted or far-sighted lens. When purchasing single vision lenses, you can look at all different sorts of coatings like blue blockers, anti-reflection coatings, mirror coatings, polarized lens, tints, transitions, just to name a few, and these are amazing ways to enhance your vision. Now friends, remember, before picking your lenses, make sure to talk to your eye care professional. They know your eyes best and will be able to guide you in the direction of what lens is going to be suited for you. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding single vision lenses. If you have any questions, always please feel free to reach out to our Ask the Optician online. Otherwise, please follow along for more great tips.